I got that shrimp egg foo young right there. And some of the gravy, right, at some Chinese restaurants come brown. And some of them had that golden yellowish look. Also, I got them fried chicken wings right there. Hot dog lady. Fong should be right over here to the right. What's going on, family? It's your man Matt DV, and we're here on Bergen Street in suggestion of Keza, Willis, and Desiree Jesse. Today we're going to Fong's Chinese restaurant. I had put a big blurb out on I'm So Newark, and this name came up twice. Fong's, let's go check it out. All right, y'all, we're gonna walk up in this joint. Fong's right here. Fong's Chinese joint, there it is. They've been here a long time, man. You know? Let's check out Fong's, y'all. Supposed to be some good food, y'all. You got the typical Chinese restaurant with kind of like, we always say it's like bulletproof glass, but it is what it is. You got egg foo young? Egg foo young? Give me an order of shrimp, egg foo young. You give me a side order of wings too, okay? That's what it's gonna be, y'all. Shrimp, egg foo young here at Fong's. And gravy and white rice, right?
No, gravy on the side.
Yeah. But white rice, yeah. Thank you. Oh. They in here busy, man. How long y'all been here? How many years here?
This restaurant?
Yeah.
Over 50 years.
Over 50, right? Yeah. So, yeah, when I was a kid, man, they were here at I'm on YouTube, yeah. Yeah. It's my subscribers said come to Fong's.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, they said get chicken wings and egg foo young. Thank you. Yeah. It's early too, y'all. It's about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And they're open. Let's get it and go out in the car and eat it. There used to be, oh, is that Roland's? Y'all help me out. Yeah, that used to be a club called Roland's. We used to hang out in Roland's, y'all, and get our drink on back in the day. They got this laundry spot right here too called Waterworks. They'll do your laundry for you. They'll deliver to your house, and they'll come pick it up and deliver it back to your house, man. Waterworks. That's for us lazy people that don't want to wash clothes. Right, y'all, I got my bag. It's time to go over here to the car and eat some of Fong's. Fong's, y'all. I know Fong's. I don't think I've ever been to Fong's, but it's been there for years, man. All right, y'all, I'm all set up on the car. I got that shrimp egg foo young right there. And some of the gravy, right, at some Chinese restaurants come brown. And some of them had that golden yellowish look. Also, I got them fried chicken wings right there. We're eating on the car today. It is pretty cloudy out, and that's beautiful. We're gonna go right in. I did not get any hot sauce, sad thing. I not carry no hot sauce with me. Let's get these toppings on here and let's dig in. All right, y'all, here we go. On Bergen Street, let's get some of this gravy, right? Let's put that gravy, stir it up a bit. Put that gravy right on top of that egg foo young. Yeah. And let's see, I'm gonna add a little soy sauce to it. Some of y'all gonna be like, don't bite that. That's dirty. I'm gonna put the soy sauce on the gravy and the egg foo young. I'm not gonna be proper. I ain't cutting nothing up. And like Badland Chug say, enough talk. Let's mix that gravy around. I just wanna taste this egg foo young. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Mm-hmm. That gravy's good. You know, this is delicious, but I think I prefer the brownish gravy, even though I'm pouring more on, because it's delicious. That's what I want y'all to know. But I think I prefer the brownish gravy. But this is good. How many of y'all know what I'm talking about? Some of the gravy look brown. Let me mix a little of that rice in there with it. But the flavor on this is delicious. That's that shrimp. The size of the shrimp is good. There's a fly trying to come over here, y'all. The gravy is good, but once again, I prefer the darker gravy than this golden, yellowish looking gravy. It goes good with the rice though. You got the onions in there. You got the eggs in there. You got the shrimp in there. I think they put sprouts in here too. I can't identify the sprouts, but normally they put some sprouts. That's good though. That's good, I give it to him. I'm all bent over here in front of the car. I want some more gravy. That lets y'all know the gravy's good. Because I'm actually saying like I want some more gravy. Let me taste that gravy once again. It's flavorful. I might be torn between that dark gravy. I think it's because that dark brown gravy it seems like it's a little saltier. And I know y'all like, salt ain't no good for you. Salt ain't no good for you. I like that. Yo, I'm gonna give them an 8. I'm gonna give Fong's an 8 on the egg foo young, the shrimp egg foo young. We're gonna taste the wings next and see what they talking about. As soon as I get a few more spoonfuls of this right here. Hold up. You like Fong's?
Yeah, Fong's is good.
She said Fong's the truth. And she looked like she about 35. 36. They've been there 50 years, right?
Not 50, but enough.
Been there a long time.
Long time.
When I was little, I'm 60.
Yeah.
I remember Rollins was right there. Back in there. I knew you from. That's the wing right there. That's that chicken wing right there. You got those chicken wings. Some people say the wings. I call them the wings. They look fried, they look crispy. Let's check it out. Let's set that one there. Y'all know I love the flats too. Hold on, let me get on my elbows, y'all. This is tasty. A little crunchy, I like the skin on it. Check out the meat. We're gonna see how the bone looks. The bone looks pretty clear. That's good, man. It's funny though how at the Chinese restaurant sometimes the chicken wings, they look a little yellowishy on the outside. I don't know if it's the season they use. What is that, y'all? Y'all tell me. Put it down in the comments. What do you think that is? But that flavor goes all the way through to the bone. Yeah. Thanks again to the two sisters that suggested this spot. Fong's is worth it. I give it across the board an 8. Now I'm gonna try the drumstick part of the wing. Get that drumstick part. I'm gonna go home and eat the rest of this. I need some hot sauce. It's crunchy. I don't like the drumstick part. The flat I like a lot. The drumstick part just seemed too thick of meat. Would I choose ambassadors over these? Yup. That Pepsi seemed a little flat. I'm vlogging. I'm a YouTuber. You watch my YouTube? My man, thank you. I appreciate you. My man. I appreciate you guys, man. Thank you. You want a wing, brother? Go ahead, man. Take the whole bag. I'm not gonna eat this, yeah. I like to just do the video and it's a done deal. Yep. They were good. He said they good. They need a little hot sauce to them. Yeah. 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 We don't like he gonna take it home to put some hot sauce, my brother. That's it, man. It was good. Yeah, have a good day. I was able to share a bit with my brothers, and I'm gonna wrap the egg foo young up. Go home and eat it, man. I'll see you guys. You good, man? You hold up. You mind being on video? No. Okay, let us know. What did you think, man? Tell her he went and got some hot sauce, y'all.
Yeah, the chicken is good. You know, it got a nice crisp to it.
Yep.
It's cooked all the way through. It just need a little hot sauce to it.
Yep.
I'll eat it again.
Yeah, you put the hot sauce. Oh, he got hold up, y'all. Look at the hot sauce on there.
Yeah, it's good though.
Everybody gonna be like, you gotta carry your own hot sauce, man. I know. Thanks, brother.
Thank you.
We gotta get our own hot sauce, y'all. And I forgot I had set up the camera and stuff, but it's all good. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but you with the right cat now. I love you cats, man. I'll see you at the next one. Peace.